Guimu Robot. Now, robots are taking on the important task of checking road conditions. This hardworking Chinese robot can inspect about 7,500 square meters of roadway in just an hour. It spots issues like cracks, fractures, loose soil, and voids even at depths of 3 to 5 meters. Using cameras, radars, sensors, and a 3-meter obstacle avoidance system, it navigates well. It can work continuously for 8 hours on a single charge. It's so efficient that it's used to inspect runways at Beijing Daxing International Airport, one of the world's largest airports. The collected data can be shown as easy-to-understand diagrams online or analyzed using AI. Additionally, it helps construction workers by giving precise predictions about how future buildings might affect the ground.